Welcome back. Well, it's Thursday. That means we have our good friend Patrick Byers here from the University of Missouri Extension.
Thank you, Lindsay.
Sure thing. And Patrick is going to talk to us about squash because even though you wouldn't know it by stepping outside today, it is going to get cooler soon, meaning it's going to be time to start planting and harvesting things like this.
It is. And I was listening to your forecast. Fall is just around the corner, and call me odd, but one of my favorite things of fall is squash.
I agree. I love squash. I buy spaghetti squash all the time. So tell us what kind of squash you brought in for us here. I have never seen a squash this big in the store.
Isn't this an interesting squash?
It is.
These are all examples of winter squash, and this great big one is actually an Italian heirloom type of squash, the Alina. And these two that we have up front are perhaps more familiar. This is a butternut squash, and this is an acorn squash.
Yes, I see things like this butternut squash in the store all the time.
Yes.
So that is a familiar item there. So now tell us about, harvesting this. When is the time to harvest squash?
Well, the time for harvesting winter squash is definitely coming up, and you want to wait till they're mature. And you can tell they're mature by taking your fingernail and just pressing it onto the rind.
Okay.
And when it's hard to get your fingernail through the rind, then that's a good sign that it's ready. And the stem will be dry, and the vines will be dying down as well.
Okay, great. And of course, these are tasty treats, right?
Oh, these are absolutely delicious.
Right. So let's talk about some uses and about eating and preparing these squash.
Well, of course, the traditional way to enjoy squash is to bake it. And these large squashes you can cut into pieces. The smaller ones you can half and then bake them with some olive oil. We talked about coconut oil being an option, or even butter. And a little bit of brown sugar, some cinnamon, perhaps some other herbs, and they're absolutely delicious.
Wonderful. And these are pretty common here in Missouri?
These are grown by our local farmers. You can find an abundant supply of winter squash at the local farmers markets.
Oh, great. Okay, and maybe we'll see more of them now that it's approaching the cooler temperatures.
Yeah, the harvest is just now beginning.
Okay, great. And if people want more information on harvesting spaghetti squash or any kind of squash, where can they go?
Well, contact us at the Greene County Extension Office. We're in the Springfield Botanical Center. Check out our website, which is extension.missouri.edu.
Okay, well, it's always a pleasure having you here, Patrick.
Thank you, Lindsay.
Sure thing. All right.